This is the Ajazz AK650, and yes, it actually has a screen, a budget mechanical keyboard with a real 0.85-inch TFT display and a metal volume knob. You can load custom GIFs, check the time, or just enjoy the animations. It's surprisingly fun. But it's not just about looks. The build quality is solid, no flags, and the typing feel is super clean. It's gasket mounted with multiple layers of foam, and the Nacode X switches are pre-lubed and super smooth. Typing sounds rich, creamy and soft. Listen to this. You also get 3-mode wireless, Bluetooth 2.4 GHz and USB-C wired. Battery life is solid thanks to the 5000 mAh cell inside. And yes, it's hot swappable, so you can change its Vitas anytime. Honestly, for this price, it's insane what you get. I've tested more expensive keyboards that didn't just feel this good. If you're building a budget setup, this could be the best keyboard under $70 or even $50. But in a $50 version, I guess you get some different switches. In this variation, I have Dream switches and Nacode X variation of layering. Let me know in the comments if you want a comparison with the Keychron K6 or Monsgeek M1. And if you're surprised too, hit that like and don't forget to subscribe.